Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Car of the Week with me, As Mustafa, and none other than the Rix Motor Company in the heart of Warrington. Well, what do I bring you this week? This week we have this absolutely mouth-watering late 2007 Mercedes SL350 AMG. So this is a facelift model, so it's a later style. So it's got the Xenon Headlights as well as the washers for that. It's got the full AMG body package. So it's got the upgraded grille, the bonnet grille, and also the side vents. Coming around to the side of the car, this car sits on these unmarked 5-spoke AMG anthracite alloys. I mean, the road presence of this car is something else. Under the bonnet, it's a 3.5 litre petrol, which churns out 245 brake horsepower. And even though you get a lot of power, it's very fuel efficient. So 25 miles to the gallon you can get in this. Jumping inside of this luxury GT Cruiser, you're greeted by this eye-catching flamenco red interior. So this car has fully adjustable electric front seats, as shown. Heated both passenger and driver's seats, as well as a Bose premium sound system. Also, these wing mirrors are electrically foldable, which is perfect. Right, we'll get the roof up because it's raining, so just bear with me. I can make this roof appear in 16 seconds. They call me David Copperfield of Warrington. So, as you can see, that's a magic trick. Coming round to the rear of the car, just a quick one just before we wrap up as the weather's changing. Just let me just... So we have an electronically opening tailgate, which has more than ample space for your long weekend away. Also electronically closable tailgate. Thank you ever so much for tuning in to another Car of the Week with me, Has Mustafa, at none other than the Rix Motor Company here in the heart of Warrington. Thank you.